Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain how to insert values into a database in PostgreSQL server from Node.js application. Check my screen. I have an async function create business. It accepts business object. By using object destructuring method, I assigned all the properties and values into name, currency, language, tax, enable variables from this business object. I have a query const variable with the insert into business. Business is my table in PostgreSQL database. I will show you. This is my PostgreSQL 16 server. Inside I have databases. JJMD is my database. I have schemas. Inside public schema, I have tables. Business is my table name. And I have ID, name, currency, language, tax, enable and created at. So I am going to insert name, currency, language, tax, enable into this business table. ID and created at will automatically handled by PostgreSQL because ID is auto incremental and the created hyphen at is the time at which we inserted that value into this table. So it will be also handled by PostgreSQL. So we need to pass only name, currency, language, tax and enable. Those values we will get from this business object which is already passed to this create business function, and we destructured all the properties and values into this corresponding variables name, currency, language, tax and enable. This is just a console.log. Now I have values const variable. It's an array of these values from this business object. It will fetch name. If there is no name, then it will be empty string. It will fetch the currency. If there is no currency, then it will take USD by default. Then language. If there is no language, it will take English as default. If there is no tax, it will take 0. If it is not enable is provided, then it will check the ternary operator to find exact value for the enable. Then it will call query method on pool object, which is used to connect with the PostgreSQL database, PostgreSQL server. Inside this query function, we will pass our query variable, this one here, and values our values array to this query method pool.query. It will return value into this rest const variable. So when we execute this function, when we call this function with this business object containing name, currency, language, tax and enable, it will insert those values into this business table in PostgreSQL database. Now I will explain this pool.query also. Pool is created by, let us go to db.js here. Pool is imported from npm package pg. pg is an npm package used to connect a PostgreSQL server. Then using that pool constructor method, we will pass new pool and our user host database password and port. It will return a pool and we will export this pool. Module.exports is equal to pool that we used here. That pool is used here, pool.query. We called the query method on this pool and passed our query and passed our values. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.